Testing. Okay. Hi. Hi, good day, everyone. So now I would like to do a sharing sections on basically just recording my own attempt on uh, this trying to set up this simple company networking uh, based on this author. Okay, the original video link is here, so it's a master level guru level. So I would like to show here, see whether I can follow the guide provided to replicate, okay, again all this experience and knowledge. So all right, so let's start. So okay, this is the questions. Okay, so it's like we need to build another, set up another small network. So the company has the following requirement during the implementations. So this is a requirement like one router, one switch to be used. Because it's a Cisco related product, because this sharing section is using the Cisco Packet Tracer. So three departments, okay, IT, admin, finance, customer service. So each department is required to be in a different VLAN. Uh, each department is required to have a wireless network for the user. The host device in the network are required to obtain IPv4 address automatically, which means this need to be have DHCP. So and because devices in all the department are required to communicate with each other. So assume the ISP give out the base network uh, 192.168.1.0. This is a class 3 again. Class C, as you are the network engineer, then you need to implement it. Okay, so this is a requirement. So first, I think you need to prepare your what's that called, the Cisco packet tracers. So once you prepare this, then you can start putting in the devices. So there will be a router. There will be a router. Then there will be switches. Okay, there will be switches, and there will be some computers. Just need to, oh, sorry, apologies. So only one switches, then things like this, then one computer, one printer, one printer, computer, printer. So we need to have Wi-Fi, right? So switches hot. We need to have the access point. Okay, access. Need to have access point. So maybe we just put this more nicely. Just put it nicely. Then okay, this is looks okay. Okay, then we need to choose for the connections. So the router will go to the switch. Okay. Switch will go to the wireless router. Okay. So I just use the automatic cable type. Okay. Okay. I think my design. Okay. Okay. So I think we can um draw. I think we can just draw a box. Draw a box. Draw a box. Okay. Then we can put the. Okay, so this is admin IT. This is finance HR. This is customer receptions. Okay. And we try to define also because they need the VLAN, so we can try to label it. So indicate different virtual VLAN. Okay, so I guess this is a draft first. So after that, we need to see the questions. So this time they give the base is 192.166.1.0, so which is another class C, and it says you need 3 departments, which is you need 3 subnet. So we all know that there is a formula to calculate the number of the subnet, which is 2 power of n. So in order to get the value of the n, so we need to know because we need 3 subnet, so the n must be either equal to or more than the numbers, the subnet numbers. So the subnet we know is 3. So 2 power of what must be equal to or more than close to the 3. So based on the number we get, like 2 power of 0 get 1, which is smaller than 3 cannot. 2 power of 1 smaller than 2, 2 smaller than 3 also cannot. So 2 power of 2 is 4. 4 is greater than 3. So and is closer to 3 also. 2 power of 3 equivalent to 8. 8 yes is greater than 3, but is too big. So we choose the one slightly more than 3. So the answer here is 2 power of 2. So the n is 2. Okay, so the answer, the n is 2. So the default subnet mask for the class C is 255.255.255.0. So if you convert to the binary, you get all 8 bits of the 1, or 8 bits of the 1, or 8 bits of the 1, and then all 0 for the last octet lah. So in order to do this subnetting, we need to understand, because the n is 2, so which means we need to borrowing the bits for the network, so borrow from the host. So you can see here is like NN is the network, H is all the hosts. So you need to borrow 2 bits for the network, so 2 bits. So once you putting down this, so which means after borrowing the 2 bits for network, so the subnet mask become this 255.255.255.192. So 192 is mean the this bit and this bit. So if you refer back to it, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one and this one you need to summing up. So 128 plus 64, so equivalent to 192. So when we see the 192, so we know that the block size for the host is 64. So that is a picture prepared by the guru. So if you know that the subnet mask 192, the block size is 64. So this is a very good like a summaries. So if we come back here, we know 64, and when we do for the another type of the writing, right? So we need to put like 192.168.1.0, we need to put this slash. So slash 626, how to come up is we need to add the network bit, meaning all the bit in front. Okay, so it's 8 bit of 1, 8 bit of 1, 8 bit of 1, and 2 bit of 1. So we add up is 24 plus 2, 26. So this is the thing you can prepare. So once you prepare this, then you can start populate for your subnet. Okay, so you can see your subnet. Okay, so first subnet, it always start from the base number, the given, so 192.168.1.0, and you already able to find for the subnet mask. So from there, you can know that the block size is 64. So 64, you have to minus 1, okay, for the broadcast, So your last IP is 192.168.1.63. Because 64, you're going to start for another one, because it starts from 0 until 63. Okay, so the usable host value is 192.168.1.1 until 192.168.1.62. So your first IP will be the used for the default gateway .1.1. Okay, so after that you prepare for the second subnet. So you know that the block size is 64. So from 0 you pass 64, it become 192.168.1.64. Then after that, you know that in this block, you need to add another 64, but you need to minus 1, because the broadcast ID is the last IP. Okay, so it should be 128 minus 1, so it's 127. So after that, you can calculate the host value inside this network and the broadcast, which is start from 65 until 126. 65 always is also work as your default gateway. So once you're done for the second subnet, then you go for the third subnet. So again, the block size is 64, so you can 64 plus 64 to become 128. So from 128, you also know that you need to add another block size for 64 in order to get 192. Okay, but 192 minus 1, so you get 191. So with this is this is the first, this is the last, so you can get the whole range. So start from 129 until 190. Okay, so once you're done for these 3 things, then you basically can start to configure your devices, everything into your the Cisco Packet Tracer. So I hope this explanation until now you are able to get it. So because actually there are a lot of the the tools from the internet, you can refer. For example, there are a lot of calculators you can just try. Like for example, dot one dot zero. So this is the one just now we put, right. So you know it's slash 26 slash 26, right. So you can try on this dot one dot zero, then slash 26. Then when you calculate, so eventually you will know. I mean, in case if you want to double check all your numbers, so you can use all these tools to helping for helping you to find out all these things. Okay, so network mask. Okay, all this. So now, so we can just go back. Okay, now we can just putting in the try put more information so that you can see it more clearly. Like you can add another note here. So this is oops, sorry, 2168.1.0/26. In case if you want to put it here, you can just put it here, 192.168.1.64/26. Okay, 192.168.1.128/26. Okay, so you can just put it nicely. I don't just put it. Whatever. Just put it. Just put it nicely. Okay. Okay. Sure. This is works. Right. So then after that, we can start configuring it. So for your information, this is I'm quite new to Cisco Packet Tracer also, so I will give a try on this, right. So this is the switches again. Like you can always zoom in to see the how the Cisco switches is looks like. Wow, I mean this is a very beneficial, very good experience. So because normal people, I mean we not often to have chance to see all these network devices. So this is a very good physical this device view. So we go for config. No, sorry, we go for CLI. Okay, so we trying to configure for the VLAN. Okay, so let me try. So and sorry, enable config config terminal. So again, we need to we need to check all these. You can see the 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 interface. Can you see all the interface here? Okay, so you can see from here is a two, another one, four, okay, four. So maybe it's a bit difficult to see, right? Two, I think this is should be the three. Yeah, two, three, four for admin. Five, six, seven, 10, 9, 8. So 2, 3, 4 is for network. Sorry, for admin. 5, 6, 7 is for finance. 8, 9, 10 is for the CS customer service. So if you have this info, you can start configure the switch FA 0224. Okay, now we go inside the range, then switch port mode access. Okay, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, so they don't have the VLAN yet, so he's creating the VLAN 10. So VLAN 10 equivalent to the network VLAN that we define for this net admin and the IT. So once we done this one, so we do another one, 224. I think we need to sit, and then integer range FA 0 5 to 7, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Okay, now he's creating the VLAN 20. Right, then set interface range FA 0 8 to 10. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. Okay, so once you done all these three, you do right. Okay, then you exit, do show start. So with this command, you can double check the VLAN that we created. One moment. Can you see that? We have which one? 10, 10, 10, 2, 3, 4, VLAN 10, 5, 6, 7, VLAN 20, 8, 9, 10, VLAN 30. Okay, so we have created this lah. Okay, so this okay, just check. So this is the switch. It has so many things can be configured. Okay, then need to do a quick update here. Okay, after that we can configure the virus AP, so we can go for this admin. This is the access point, so called just like the virus router access point. Okay, config, we go for port 1. So the SSID we need to put admin Wi-Fi. Okay, the authentication we need to use the highest one, WPA2 PSK. Then the password is admin at 123. This is for demonstrations. Okay, so port 0 no, port 1. Okay, then you go for another access point, config port 1, SSID should change to finance Wi-Fi, then WPA2 PSK, finance at 123. Okay, this is the password. This is your SSID for the Wi-Fi. Then go for this one, config port 1, CS Wi-Fi. So WPS, the password, customer at 123. So it's something like you are setting up for your access point. Okay, so now you're done for your access point. Then now you need to go back to the switch. Okay, you need to configure for the trunk. Here I will just have a simple explanation, I think, but I think you can always like uh, Google and then find more information about the trunk. So I think it's only like allowed like I mean if you just simply Google switch switch port mode trunk. So you will get more understanding. It's like it means the port can carry traffic for multiple VLANs simultaneously, something like this. Okay, simple one. So come back here, switch. So this is my interface FA0/1. Okay, and then switch port mode trunk. Okay, do right exit. Right, so now I done for this switch for trunk. Then after that need to configure the router uh, for encapsulation purpose. So again, encapsulations you can just I mean you can uh, Google a little bit more like encapsulations dot 1Q command, just to understand what is the purpose lah, why we need to do this in the switch. So let's carry on first. Let's give a try. Okay, so go to router. Okay, again you can zoom in to see your Cisco router. Okay, then it's config. This is CLI. So just okay. So enable config T. Okay, interface git 0/0. So you can always come back here. You can see. Oh, sorry. You can just so FA0/1 is towards the switch. So git 0/0 is the router there. Okay. So this is the one. Now we need to go here. Right. No no shutdown. Okay, no shutdown. Then do right. Okay, exit. Now after exit, we need to configure it 0/0.10. So this is something like configure the VLAN. Okay. Okay. Then encapsulations dot 1Q 10. Let me just make it follow the book first. Okay, Q10 IP address 192.168.1.1. Remember the IP address for all the hosts that we set earlier. Okay, the three subnet. Okay, so we're going to use for this the first network IP from the host, and then we need the subnet mask. Okay, the subnet mask. Okay, subnet mask. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Okay, 255, 255, 255, 192. Okay, and then see now continue for 0/0.20. Okay, and then encapsulations dot 1Q20. IP address 192.168.1.65 255 255 255 2 second subnet. Okay, then see that G interface gate 0/0 dot D. Okay, then encapsulations dot 1Q30 encapsulation dot 1Q30 IP address 192.168.1.129 255.255.255.192. Okay, to right exit to show start. Okay, so we just go to verify the okay, you can see interface gigabit ethernet dot 10 encapsulation dot 1Q10 dot 1.1 255.255.255.192. Okay, one set done. This is for the second subnet. Okay, this is for the third subnet or the VLAN, Okay, so okay, everything looks good. So till the end. Okay, so not finished yet. Still have a lot more to go. So after that, we okay, we are still in the router. So we need to configure the DHCP. So service DHCP. Okay, and then IP DHCP pool admin dash pool. Okay, then network. This time we need to put the network ID, not the host ID, which means this time we need to use the network ID, this, and this. Earlier we used the one is the host, the first host. Now we use the network ID. Okay, so give a try. Okay, so network 192.168.1.0 255 255 255 192. Okay, double check 192.168.1.0.1.2. Okay, then default router 192.168.1.1. Okay, then DNS server 192.168.1.1. Okay, domain name, I think this is just something optional, but we just follow the guide. Okay, then exit. Okay, now we go for another pool, IP DHCP pool finance pool, DHCP pool finance pool. Okay, now network 192.168.1.64 255 255 255.192. Okay, and then default router default router default router default router 192.168.1.65. Okay, but just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Okay. Come on, 1 second. One moment, sorry, 1 moment. Just hold on a second. Okay, sorry guys, let's continue. So where are we stop? Here. Okay, default router for the finance. Okay, default router, and then DNS server, 65. Okay, domain name finance. Right, so that's it. Now the third one, IP DHCP pool, CS pool, right? Network 192.168.128.255.255.255.192, right? And default router 192.168.1.129. Okay, DNS server 192.168.1.129. Domain name cs.com. Okay, so I think we can save this all. Okay, this let me just see to right. Okay, remember to save. Just let me just get back first. Sorry, this one to W. Okay, so if here, if I do show start, I don't know whether can I see. Will I see? Yeah, I can see. Yes. So IP DHCP pool, admin pool. All right, network 192.168.1.0 right, and the default router DNS server domain name second pool, okay, .1.64, the subnet mask, okay, and the number 3, the CS pool 192.168.1.128. Okay, then the default router DNS. Okay, looks good. All right, everything looks okay. Right, so this is the earlier one, the encapsulation. Right, so yeah, okay. So then after that, we can start to how to say it, test it out a bit, like go to our PC. Okay, this is a typical PC, very old pattern, but then this is a desktop PC. We go to the config. We go to, I think we can go desktop IP config. We just from static we change to DHCP. If everything good, yes, then you will get the DHCP result. Okay, very good. So we close this one. For the printer, let me see, printer. So configuration, thing, uh, DHCP, no, setting, one moment, I think should be interface. Let me give a try DHCP. Okay, you will get the IP address. So yeah, you will get the IP address, right? .1.1. Okay, this is the one you set, right? .1.1 is your default gateway. Yep. Okay, looks good. .3. Now repeat the same. Go here, to here. ipconfig, go to DHCP. So the second VLAN also able to get the DHCP the IP address, subnet, default gateway, DNS server, everything looks good, right? And then you go for the printer, so config, so you go for DHCP, you can get the default gateway 65. Okay, for the fast Ethernet here also you get the IP in the range and with the submask, right? Then you go for the another one. Go here, desktop, config, DHCP. It's okay, alright. You get IP automatically assigned with each the third subnet. Okay, this broadcast ID DNS all correct. Okay, and then the printer again config. So DHCP. So you will get, yes, you will get 131, right? So you get all the IP by DHCP, right? So this also is like consider almost most of the thing are done correctly. Okay, so after that, what we need to do is we need to do another testing, like we add some wireless devices such as like uh, we can add the, let me see, the based on here is like we add a laptop. Okay, a laptop, and then via smartphone. Yeah, a smartphone here, a laptop here. Oops, sorry. Okay. So this is also the same at laptop here. Add a smartphone here, then add a laptop. Yeah, because you can allow wireless, right? So after that, you need to try to connect it. Like for example, this smartphone, if you, what is this? Ooh, this is a plum or the so-called PDA. Yeah, PDA. So here you need to go to the wireless. Okay, wireless. Then you need to look for the like for example, this is what admin Wi-Fi, and then WPSK WPA2 PSK admin, sorry, at 123 admin at 123. So yeah, this is the one, I think. So once you set it, so it should connected. Yes, yes, it's connected. Okay, so for the laptop, for example, in the demo video, so for laptop you need to remove this Linksys WPC 300N. Okay, so it's something like you need to turn it off, you need to remove it, then you need to use the one inside here, this virus, then you turn it on back. This is the one I learned from the video lah, from the guru. So after that, you configure it, you put virus, then you put finance Wi-Fi WPA2 PSK, put here finance at 123. This is the one I so let's see wireless. Okay. Oh no, wait. I think we can go here. We go PC wireless. We go connect. We wait for a while. Then it should have, yeah, three Wi-Fi also coming here. We choose finance because we are in finance. We still connect. So WPA personal. Then here we put finance at 123. Then we connect. Then we can close this one. Yes, you see, it's connected. Okay, we connected. Okay, we can move it here, then you can see clearly. So if we open this back, we go for config. He get the DHCP IP. C5 setting. Okay, all right. He managed to get. Okay. So now if we do another testing, I think here we try to add, I think tablet, if I'm not wrong, tablet. Oops, sorry. Okay, move it. Okay, tablet. So configure the tablet also. This is a tablet, old generation tablet. So we go for the config virus 02. So here we can go for the CS Wi-Fi WPS. Okay, then customer at 123. So should works, right? Then we close it, wait for a while. Yes, it's connect. All right. So basically, this is a very good example. Can demonstrate uh, how to say, can demonstrate the project. Okay, so to show one router, one switch, three departments. Each department have different VLANs. Each department have wireless network. Devices need to be have DHCP automatically. Devices can add in and can communicate each others. All right. So and we can try to, like for example, from this device, this is not from here. Maybe we trying to connect to this tablet 133. Okay, 133. So we give a try here. Desktop run. We just use ping 192.168.1.133. Let's wait and see. Yes. Okay, first packet is dropped, but remaining is working fine. Can you see? Yep, this is a good example from this smartphone. I am able to communicate with this tablet. So let's, of course, these two, but not yet, these two not yet. So basically, if you want to make everything connected, then which means you just have to, like for the laptop, you need to click, and then you need to what to say, turn it off, and then remove this, put it back this, and turn it on again, and then you can go for the desktop, go for PC router, then go connect, and this round this is for admin, right? So you go for admin, connect. So then this is admin at 123, then connect, and you can see it is connect. So then you close this one. Then for this smartphone also the same, you click here, you config, then you go for wireless. So here you know this is the finance department, so Wi-Fi, so WPA2, so finance at 123. So you can see Wait for a while. Yes, it's connected. All right, so here is about the same. A laptop, you just in, turn it off the laptop first because this one not working. Okay, you put it this wireless one. Then make sure you turn it on the laptop back, connect to PC wireless, connect, wait for the signal to be connected. So this is CS, choose CS, connect. So CS is customer at 123, connect. Okay, then you can just verify, yes, it's working. So for smartphone also the same, config virus 0 here. So this is CS dash Wi-Fi. So WPA2 PSK customer at 123. Okay, then wait for a while. Yeah, it's connect. So you can see everything is connected. Okay, so we can just do another testing, like for example this laptop, you want to use the printer in the customer service. So printer here is 131, the IP address. Okay, 131. So we can just from here ping 192.168.1.131. Wait for a while for the connection. First packet drop, yes, it's successful, right? So okay, it is successful. So then you can try for this maybe from this phone you want to connect to this smartphone. So this is dot 1.5. So maybe from here, okay, stop ping 192.168.1.5. Okay, just wait for, okay, it's very fast, it's respond. Okay, full packet you can get after the thing. Okay, and maybe from this PC we talk to this PC. So this PC is dot 66. So from here, okay, click here, ping 192.168.1.66. Okay, ping, wait for a while. First packet drop, yes. Second, third, and fourth, yes. So sometimes the packet loss is common, but actually it's showing the connectivities, right? So it's a very good example. So basically, I would say this is a successful uh, network setup. So you can just save it. Okay, just put it here. This is called simple. This is big company network project complete. So I save it, right? So if you want to trace the packet, so I think we tried before. We can just put this one, for example, you can put here. Then you want to call to this phone, for example, just put it here. Then we can go to the simulation. Then we go. Then if you show lah how the packet been round, round. Okay, go, let it go, go. Okay, did it reach? Let's see. Whoa. Okay, thank you. We reached to the destination. Because it's Wi-Fi. Ah, uh, okay. Only one is received. So this is something we can uh, think about it. I think for more advanced configurations and setup. Okay, but this is a very good uh, uh, simulations. Okay, back here, then we go back to the center. access point. So he will go to some places. Ah, okay. All right. So thank you. I think uh, I satisfied with this work. So um, I just yeah, I just thank you so much for you to stay with me. I think it's a bit long this video, but I hope this showing you some understanding of mine on this uh, my own experience based on this guru his very good effort demonstrations, and then I replicate the work, and I try, and I think I make it, yes, under this Cisco Packet Tracers. So all right, so thank you so much, and I'm going to stop the video now.